What's going on, guys? Welcome to Dress Up Bolt's first vlog video. My name is Seth. I'm one of the co-owners of Dress Up Bolts. And today I'm going to be giving you guys a little bit of a tour of our new facility that we now share with Gears and Gasoline, as well as a project we just started working on. So hang tight and we'll see you in a bit. Alright, so to start our tour, I am currently in the lobby area of our office. You can see we got the front door there with our logos. And right down here, you can see we are still got our door frames taped up. We're still applying a couple coats of paint here, but you've got Gears and Gasoline's offices. And then as you head back down this hallway, you have our new sales office here. We're getting settled into pretty temporary setup with just folding tables and light booth. It's kind of a mess, but only me and Randy working here right now, so this doesn't really benefit the customer. We're putting way more money into our inventory room, and our product development area. Let me show you guys that now. This is our new inventory room. So you can see Randy's got it set up pretty nice and organized right now. A couple shelves. Just to give you guys a understanding of where we I guess came from as to where we are now. This inventory room is almost 3 times the size of where we were before. It was tight. We just had this one shelf here with all of the hardware on this side, and then just bins and bins here, and then a bunch of boxes on the floor. Now we've got another shelf. We're going to be getting slat wall. That's actually why we haven't really done anything over here to hang even more bins. So it's a lot better. We've got a lot more room to expand. We're adding a ton of hardware sizes real soon. So yeah, that's the inventory room. And then if we come, I'll address this area. So this area was originally supposed to be a kitchen, and it didn't end up being that. You can see it's right now kind of just storage. The idea behind this space is that it is going to be where we do all of our product development, at least on this side of the office. So we're gonna have our 3D printer, we're gonna have our laser engraver, we're gonna have our vinyl cutter, our photo booth. All that stuff is going to be in this space. We'll build a nice wall here, close it in, get a door. But for now, it's just storage. So now, here is the shop. So this shop was not a shop when we bought this place. This was actually a giant server room with a false floor about a foot off the ground. You can see the difference here. We had to build that bulkhead because this door used to be way up there, and we had to bring it down to the main floor. So, and you can see where all the little black pads are. Those were footers for the false floor. So we ripped all of that out. That's all gone. now, and we've redone the walls. We've opened up the space, repainted, upgraded the lighting. We, of course, you might notice, we now have 2 lifts that are going through the ceiling. Did not think that that was gonna be an issue, but they work, which is awesome. We just are limited by how far we can go. You can see up there, maybe focus, maybe not. There it is. You can see the beam going across up top. So the plan is we're gonna rip all of the ceiling down, redo the entire top to make it look nice and pretty, but we've already spent a lot of money on this facility. There used to not even be a garage door here. This was a wall. So now we've got a nice giant garage door. So because of that, we're gonna kind of get settled in the space for a little while, get used to it, start developing some product, and then maybe in the fall, we'll get around to taking the ceiling out, maybe refinishing the floor in here so you don't see all the black spots. But this is a huge improvement for us. And we honestly, we are so grateful to you guys, everybody that's been supporting us. You've allowed us to get to this point, and this is just mind-blowing to think, like almost 4 years ago, me and Randy took ownership of Dress Up Bolts, and we were running it out of a small room in a basement. And now this is where we at. We have lifts and tools and an office, and it's insane, and that's all thanks to you guys. So we really do appreciate that. But onto this car. So this is a Subaru GC8. It's actually our most requested kit right now. So we have this in. You can see here, YouTube channel, Stay on the Gas. The owner's name is Juan, and he has been awesome enough to, he drove it down, I think 3 or 4 hours from Northern Virginia. He's left it with us for the week. So we're gonna be going through this whole car, developing trunk kits, door kits, engine bay kits. We're gonna be loading this car up with some titanium hardware. So we've got a lot planned for it, and this is gonna be the first car that we truly develop in our new space. So really exciting stuff. Again, thank you guys. This is our first vlog, and we're planning on putting more of these out. And you know, you guys will eventually get to see more things that they come in, more projects. You'll see the space improve. You actually get to meet Randy. I'm filming this pretty late at night right now, so I'm the only one here. Just trying to get some things wrapped up for the day. But stay tuned, like this video, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.